Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today friends, I will share with you how to set up recurring transfer in Bank of America. So guys, all you have to do, log in your Bank of America account and then go to my account and go to transfer option. You can see here transfer option. After that, go to recurring transfer. After go to recurring transfer, for amount guys, you can choose full deposit. For amount, you can choose full deposit and be transferred, or you can CPC fee after each deposit. And for transfer to account, connect your bank choice by adding corresponding account routing numbers, and then set up your text. All right, go to setting and then click all right, and then check your funds the requested, and you will get notification when your money get transferred. This is how you can do guys. Go to transfer, from transfer go recurring transfer, and then from amount just for deposit. This is how you can do, as you can see on the screen, at each deposit to transfer. I hope this video helpful for you guys. Don't forget give like and give share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon. Any question down below in the comment.